Hi friends, today we will prepare a cool snack, crab sticks in batter. The appetizer turns out to be very tasty, satisfying and unusual. They are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The first step is to make a batter. To do this, break the eggs into a separate bowl. Add salt and spices. We pour out the milk. And mix everything. Now add flour in portions. And mix everything thoroughly so that there are no lumps. The batter is ready. We unfold each crab stick, a little painstaking work, but the result is worth it. Now the filling. Grate the cheese on a fine grater. We put it in a separate bowl. Add finely chopped greens. Add squeezed or finely chopped garlic. We fill with mayonnaise, and mix. Spread the filling on the crab stick. Distribute it evenly and twist it back into the tube. Dip each stick in batter and fry in vegetable oil on both sides. Then we spread it on a napkin to absorb excess oil and can be served to the table. The sticks are soft and tasty, and are eaten instantly. Bon appetit and great culinary masterpieces for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you.